There are two main types of springs used in suspension systems: leaf springs and coil springs. Both serve the same purpose, supporting vehicle weight and absorbing road impacts, but they do that in different ways. Understanding these differences helps counter-professionals guide customers to the right replacement parts. Leaf springs are among the oldest suspension designs and remain common on trucks, SUVs, and heavy-duty vehicles. They consist of multiple stacked steel strips clamped and bolted directly to the axle. Their simple, durable construction makes them excellent for hauling and towing, and they can easily be modified to handle additional weight by adding an additional leaf. However, this is best left to professional shops that are equipped to perform this service. Helper springs are a common accessory to increase the load rating of a leaf spring equipped vehicle, and they are designed for easy installation by a vehicle owner. While leaf springs are used in the front of some heavy-duty and four-wheel drive trucks with solid front axles, they are limited to use in the rear only on light-duty trucks, so that an independent front suspension can be utilized. Coil springs are standard on most modern passenger cars and light-duty trucks. Made of helical steel wound into a compact coil, they provide a smoother ride and better handling because they allow for an independent suspension design. Coil springs are frequently used in both the front and rear, but many light-duty trucks utilize coil springs in the front and leaf springs in the rear. Coil springs cannot be modified to handle additional weight. If a vehicle is being modified, for example, a heavier engine is being installed, heavier coil springs must be installed to handle the weight. When replacing springs of either type, recommend replacing springs in pairs to ensure balanced performance. And don't forget add-on sales. Bushings, U-bolts, rubber spring mounts, and spring shackles often need to be replaced at the same time. Whether it's hauling or daily driving, springs make a big difference in vehicle characteristics. Your expertise helps customers understand their suspension and perform the necessary repairs to keep their vehicle safe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.